It's regular gas, so I'm filling up on here right now. Alright, man, y'all see Scat, man. I just watched it. You see, man, shit clean. Shit clean, man. Y'all see, y'all quick walk around. I'm gonna show y'all something too. It's a quick update video. I'm putting something out today, give y'all a quick update. Like I said, I just washed the car. You see it, man, super clean. Got that B. Anyway, so I just washed the car. I also wiped down the engine bay because I'm about to install this E85 kit. I've been getting a lot of questions about this kit since I originally got it for my last car. And this one is an updated version too. But before I get into this, let me just show y'all this. If you ain't following my car Instagram, you ain't seen this, but I'm about to show you this. I did scratch my car. It's fucking, man, god damn. So I had a design, if you've been following the channel, I had a design that I was gonna put on the side of the car, but I was gonna have to get this fixed because I'm not gonna put stuff on the side and have this part scratched. So I'm actually going for a different design on the car, and I don't know, man, this idea is gonna be crazy. I'm telling y'all, some of y'all gonna go crazy, some people may hate it, I don't know, but it's coming in a couple of weeks. Stay tuned for that. Got that coming up. Like I said, this is an updated E85 kit. So on my last one, I told y'all, because I did a review on it, so if you got any questions about this, watch that review. So last E85 kit I got, I put it in the car, you know, everything worked, but it did turn on the engine light. With the engine light being on, that made the remote start, like you do remote start the car, and it run for about 10 to 15 seconds, and it's gonna turn off just because it's a check engine light. So it don't matter what the reason is. It could be from anything else. Anytime you got a check engine light on your car, the remote start's only gonna start for a little bit, then it's gonna turn off. So that was the main problem with it. Due to the type of gas E85 is, when you start up in the cold, it takes a little bit to turn over for the car to actually turn on. But with this, they actually tweaked it so it starts up better in cold weather. You know, I'm in Vegas right now, we in summer, so I'm not gonna be able to verify that. But like I said, they fixed that problem in this updated kit, and they did make it to where the engine light does not turn on. Now, this is not gonna be an install video because I got an install video. If you wanna know how to put this in, go check that out. You know, we're gonna go to the gas station, give y'all some more information on the kit. But this just showing y'all that I am putting the E85 kit on the new Scatpack, giving y'all a quick update. Like I said, you've been following the channel, you know, we got some cosmetic stuff we added, got some more stuff coming, got some more performance mods coming. You know, this is just something that I wanted to get back. You know, I got a sponsorship deal with these guys, so it was nothing for me to get another one. So definitely, if you're looking into this, go watch my review video because there's a lot of information there. And if you want to know how to put this kit in, regardless if, you know, you get the new one or old one, it's the same kit. All they did is tweak the harness. So if you have a Mopar car and you bought a Mopar unit, you to contact them about getting you an updated harness from them at a discounted price without rebuying the whole kit. So, you know, I don't know the full details on that, but there is an option that they're offering for Mopar people, because that was the only problem with the Mopar unit. I can't speak for the other ones, but like I said, I'm just about to put this in, go to the gas station, show y'all a little footage, and that's gonna be it. Like I said, if you want to see how to install this, make sure you go check out my install video, and you want a review on some more information, go watch the review video. And you know, like I said, did just watch the Scat, man. I'm about to definitely get this design figured out, because this, like you see, I'm watching my car, and this scratch part is just ugly. So you know, stay tuned, got way more shit on the way, man. E85 kit on the new Scat, no problem. All right, man, so I got the kit on at the gas station. You probably can't see that price, but look, 37 miles. So I'm gonna load up the app on my phone real quick. Show you the price right here, bam, 228. I'm gonna show y'all in the hood here a quick rundown of, you know, how the setup basically go. Let me turn this car off. Before I put this gas in here, man. Like I said, I do got an install video, so you can go back and check it out. But just basically, all you do is unhooking the injector clamps, 40s, hooking it up to the harness, and then plugging the harness into the place you removed it, and putting the piece you took off here into the harness. And it's just 4 on here, 4 on here. You got to disconnect the fuel line and put the fuel line that's provided in the kit. And you see I got the commander right here. It's dark right here. They ain't turned their lights on yet, but like I said, I got a full install video. You want to check that out? I'm just basically showing y'all real quick, just in case you don't check the video out. Easy install, don't take that long. You do need basically just a full fuel disconnect tool and a socket wrench just to unhook that one bolt right there. So I'll go ahead and put the gas in here real quick. Oh shit, man. Yellow pump, please. And you see just at 9% basically right now, 9-10%. Like I said, it's regular gas, so I'm filling up on here right now. And once I start the car up, it's gonna adjust, it's gonna start going up. So I'll show y'all once I start the car back up. Yeah, 218. Alright, so I'm just gonna end this video real quick. Like I said, you seen at first it was at 9, basically 10%, and I had like a quarter of regular gas, almost a quarter of regular gas. Like I said, I put the E85 in here, so right now it's between basically 57, 56 on the phone just like so. Yeah, that's basically it. Like I said, if you want to see a full breakdown, I got a video on, you know, each part, you know, the fill up, the app, the install, the review. So go back on the channel and check all that out, and you know, that's it.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick, fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.